The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency NDLEA don gbab Ogbonnaya Kevin Jeff, one notorious drug kingpin for im hideout for Ojo, Lagos State. This don mark the end of his 17 years for the global drug trade. The NDLEA chairman, Brigadier General Mohammed Buba Mawa retired, yarn tori people for Abuja on March 3, 2025, say Ogbonnaya dey on Interpol's red notice and South Korea want am for plenty drug-related wahala. A constable yarn say investigation show say Ogbonnaya dey recruit young Naija people to carry drugs and e dey carry the money through electronics import. When they search a house, they find Naija passports wey get Korean visas and illegal substances. Brigadier General Mawa con tok say NDLEA go continue to scatter drug cartels and no drug baron go find Naija as a safe place.
We've actually been after this man for the past 17 years. I'm therefore pleased to announce this significant breakthrough in our efforts to dismantle drug trafficking syndicates operating within the country. As we have said 4 years ago, when we began the reform of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, our prime targets are drug barons and other important figures that organize drug trafficking rings. About 20 days ago, on Wednesday, 12 February 2024, we achieved that objective in the successful arrest of Ogbonnaya Kevin Jeff, a 59-year-old drug baron. Additionally, we recovered some illicit substances in a storehouse at the back of his house. Ogbonnaya Kevin Jeff is not a typical domestic drug baron. He is an international trafficker operating both from Nigeria and abroad. On our part, NDLEA remains committed to ensuring that Nigeria does not serve as a base for international drug trafficking operations. We will continue our relentless fight against illicit drug networks and their financiers, in line with our mandate to safeguard public health and national security. The arrest of Ogbonnaya is therefore an affirmation of our resolve to work with our international partners to ensure that no drug baron finds Nigeria a comfort zone to distribute illicit substances within the country or traffic them to other countries.
The SWA Central District Court don issue 2 arrest warrants for Ogbonnaya and Kevin Jeff, and the charges carry maximum life sentence. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojisele reporting for TMC TV.